Welcome back to What I Tasted, where I'm going to make another recipe for 31 days of Halloween. And today I'm going to be making shrunken heads. Okay, so basically I have these potatoes, I rinsed them off, and I'm going to use some tools to basically carve some faces. I'm going to carve a mouth. So we have the first shrunken head right here. Okay, so next, get all of your shrunken heads on a sheet pan. And first, drizzle oil over them. And then just brush the oil to make sure you fully cover the potatoes in oil. Okay, so next up, go ahead and take some garlic powder and sprinkle it across the potatoes. Now some onion powder. And finally, some salt. Okay, and now I'm going to bake these in the oven, and they're probably going to bake for quite a while. Probably close to an hour. While the potatoes bake, I'm going to prepare some of these chives. Now a couple other ingredients. I have some chili. So I will be heating this chili up when it comes time to plate up the baked potato. And then I also have some sour cream. Alright, and there we are. I just stuck a fork in the potato, and you know what? It's done. Now I'm going to go ahead and plate it up. Okay, so this Halloween baked potato shrunken head is done. Now, I'm going to try it out. That's fantastic. Perfectly cooked, perfectly seasoned, crispy on the outside, soft and moist potato on the inside. Pair that up with some of that chili. Fantastic. Some of the sour cream and the chive. Just as good. So this is great. You know, it's an easy thing to prep. Takes a little bit of time cooking in the oven, but you know what? You get home from work, clean up those potatoes, do a quick little carve, throw them in the oven, and you know what? Hour and a half later, you take them out and you serve them up, and you're good to go. Low maintenance. That's what I call a 31 days Halloween special. Make sure you check out more videos. I'm Jeremiah, your friend with food benefits, and I'll see you again real soon.